Hey kids, Wolf Timber here. Today we've got another urban legend. The urban legend is the sausage suppressor. Yes, that's right. Can you suppress the sound of a gunfire with your sausage? So, we're going to find out, will your sausage suppress anything? I'm going to say the answer is no. Judging from the amount of greasy backblast,
It got all over your knife too.
yeah. So let's see, my knife is covered.
Smells
the,
good.
Deer is covered. Deer, horse, whatever this stupid thing is covered. And, could you bring that into frame, please? So this is what happens if you use a Tokarov as a suppressor, or a sausage as a suppressor. It doesn't work. So remember, kids, sausage suppressor, it's a big failure. And sausage on my dart. I got sausage on my knife.